Hi, this is Rika from the team Fincoders. I'm here to present our project Finance AI. So in this project, you can ask this tool anything regarding finance, and it'll give you the answer to it. So right now there are separate tools for one for back testing, one for simulation, and you have to pay them a lot, and it is complicated. You don't get accurate results and anything, and all the and or in case if you want to go to a broker or someone, they charge you high fees for that one. And even though all these banks are there like Goldman Sachs, Jane Street, and Citadel, they only deal with like very much high net worth individuals or very rich candidates. But what about the people who are who are everyday people like middle class and all these people, and they want to either they want to invest their money and they want to make some money on the side from their income. So that's why we have created this tool called Finance AI. So this tool, you can ask anything about it. So in case if I want to learn what a Sharpe ratio is, I can ask it like, can you explain what a Sharpe ratio is? Then it will give you the exact answers, what it is, the definition of it, the intuition, how it works, and all the other things. And it gives you like what your other variants, or it will give you a follow-up questions like, see what's a good Sharpe ratio for the ETFs, how the Sortino ratio different from Sharpe. So it gives you all it motivates you to learn even more when you are learning about it, and you can even backtest on it. So can you back on Apple from Jan 1st, 2020 to Jan 1st, 2025, 2022. Okay, use your best. So then what it does is like, so it will give you a strategy which will work for you on the best with the amount of investment you want to do. It will provide you the code for that one. So since the quantitative side, it always deals with code, and it will give the only coding gives you like most accurate results after the research. So it will give you the whole code of how where you want to run it and everything. But here is the best part. So if you want to run this thing, you don't need to go to another different tool in order to run this. You can directly run it over here with the live data, which we are providing. So it generates accurate and very fast results. So you can see we have backtested for Apple stock from the date which we have provided, initial strategy, and it will give you the strategy which it used and how much it has, how many trips it has taken. And you can see so the final value is 14,549, means like it increased your portfolio by $4,500 from 10,000. So which is one of the best ones within the time span at the time. And we also have different types of agents in this one. So you can use all this Warren Buffett agent and quant builder, option strategist, crypto analyst, all these other things. It will act like it. These are all predefined agentic AIs. And we also have a section called markets and portfolio where you can see the market sentiment of it. So right now war is going on and you can see the markets are falling. So we have predicted like an extreme fear of 9%. And you can add your watch list. You can see your analysis of your stocks. So you can type in any stock you want, and it will give you the whole analysis of it, what's the current price of it, so what are the analysts saying about it, all the fundamentals, the price points, the valuation of the stock, and the latest earnings in case if you don't have the details of it. And you will get the technical analysis of it. This will change each and every day, and you will be receiving the price levels for each of price levels for it. And in case if you don't have anything, you can, and you saw some news which are which is very vague and you don't understand it, you can just type in any news you want, and it'll analyze the headline or the article for you, and it'll give you a sentiment score of how it works. And we also have a financial calculator over here. This is a multi-currency financial calculator, and you can choose any currency you want, and it'll change through that currency, and it'll use those particular things. And let's say in case if I borrowed the amount, so you will see like what is the principal, what is the interest you are getting on it, and what is all the other things. You have many different types of calculators in this. You can adjust it. You can give whatever details you want. It'll find out exactly how much you have to pay or how much you are receiving interest every month, every year. And we also have, in case if you yeah, we have a portfolio section where you can add your shares over here, and it will find out what's the price of it, original price which is going on in the market. It will automatically add it to your portfolio. And then you can see your allocation snapshot over here, see all the shares which you have in your market. You can find it over here. Thank you.